Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cook County in northeastern Minnesota, eastern St. Louis County in northeastern Minnesota, central Lake County in northeastern Minnesota, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Boundary Waters Canoe area wilderness near Snowbank Lake to 6 miles southwest of Forest Center to 9 miles southeast of Birch Lake, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Forest Center around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Clear Lake, Isabella, Dumbra Lake, Lutzen, Taconite Harbor, Tofte, and Grand Marais. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near one of the many area lakes, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Minnesota: Cook, East Central St. Louis, Lake and Northeast St. Louis,